Hey, what's up guys? So we've got something very special in store for you today. We're going to be unloading a couple of massive logs off of a flatbed truck. Alright, so you may be wondering how we're going to get these beasts off of this flatbed. I was wondering the same thing, and then I looked over and I saw my solution. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a series of chains and choker straps, and we're going to take them and wrap it around the tree, securing the chain to the tree, and then we'll take a choker strap and then we'll hook it to that tree, and I'll just drive the truck forward. Hopefully that will pull it off the truck and it won't pull the tree down. We'll find out though. For the last step, what we want to do before we start pulling it off the truck, secure it to our tree. So let's take as much tension as we can out. Let's come in here, hook it to itself, and just like that. So now, in theory, if we pull the truck forward, the log should come off, I guess. How'd we do? Did anyone die?
No.
All right. Let's see. Oh man. All right, so that one came off, nobody got hurt. Let's go ahead and get the mammoth. All right, here, get a close-up of this. This is how you do it. It's not that big of a deal. You just, put them together like this. Oh, there you go. No damage to the eyes of your slings. Just like that. And quarter turn back. There we go. All right, let's tug this thing out. Whew. All right, so now that we got the logs off of the truck, it's time to protect our logs. Today we're gonna be using some Kills. It's just a paint. You wanna paint, come on down here. You wanna paint the end of your logs, any exposed end. And what this does is it slows the drying process down, because as you can see right here, we've got some splitting. And as it dries, these will become more exaggerated, and it can actually split through the log deeper and further and wider. So what we want to do is prevent that, or at least slow it down. And since we're not going to be slabbing this today, go ahead and seal the ends. Wow, this looks great. So we got it sealed up. Everything is good to go until we start slabbing. So guys, thanks so much for checking in. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to be notified of when we're coming out with some future videos and other content. We appreciate you guys supporting us, and we'd love to see you around.